We share our world with tiny entities. They are invisible to the naked eye. They are viruses and they are everywhere. Most are harmless. Some, however, are deadly. Think about the 2014 Ebola outbreak. It ravaged West Africa. Think about the COVID-19 pandemic. It brought the world to a standstill. These viruses remind us of our vulnerability. They show the devastating power of the microscopic world. These outbreaks were not mere chance events. They were stark warnings. They highlighted our interconnectedness. They underlined the importance of understanding viruses. We need to learn how to protect ourselves. This is a challenge for science. It is a challenge for humanity. So, what exactly is a virus? Imagine a tiny package. It contains genetic material. This material is either DNA or RNA. This package is wrapped in a protein coat. Viruses are much smaller than bacteria. They are unable to reproduce on their own. They need a host to survive. A virus infects a cell. It hijacks the cell's machinery. It forces the cell to produce more viruses. These new viruses are then released. They infect other cells. This cycle of infection can happen rapidly. It leads to the spread of the virus within a host. It can also lead to transmission to new hosts. Not all viruses are created equal. Some are far more dangerous than others. Several factors contribute to a virus's deadliness. One factor is its rate of mutation. Viruses like the flu constantly change. This makes it difficult for our immune systems to keep up. It also makes developing effective vaccines challenging. Another factor is the virus's mode of transmission. Airborne viruses like measles spread easily. Viruses transmitted through bodily fluids like Ebola require close contact. The severity of the illness a virus causes also plays a role. Some viruses, like the common cold, cause mild symptoms. Others, like rabies, are almost always fatal if not treated quickly. Let's take a closer look at some specific viruses. Ebola virus causes hemorrhagic fever. It is highly contagious. It has a high fatality rate. The 2014 outbreak highlighted the importance of rapid response. It showed the need for effective treatments. COVID-19, caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus, spread globally. It caused a pandemic. This virus primarily affects the respiratory system. It showed us how quickly a virus can spread in our interconnected world. Rabies is a virus that affects the nervous system. It is transmitted through the bite of an infected animal. Rabies is a stark reminder of the importance of vaccination. It shows us how prevention is often the best cure. Viruses are masters of spreading from one host to another. They have evolved various ways to travel. Some viruses, like the flu, are airborne. They spread through tiny droplets released when we cough or sneeze. Others, like norovirus, spread through contact with contaminated surfaces. Still others, like Zika and dengue, are spread through vectors. Vectors are organisms that carry and transmit the virus. Mosquitoes are a common vector for many diseases. Understanding how viruses spread is crucial for implementing effective public health measures. Combating the unseen enemy: vaccines and public health. The fight against viruses is multifaceted. Vaccines are one of the most effective weapons in our arsenal. Vaccines work by introducing a weakened or inactive form of the virus to the body. This triggers an immune response. This response prepares the body to fight off future infections. Public health measures are equally important. Simple actions like washing hands frequently can significantly reduce the spread of viruses. Wearing masks, especially in crowded places, can help prevent the transmission of airborne viruses. Early detection and isolation of infected individuals are also crucial. Lessons learned, challenges ahead, preparing for future outbreaks. The COVID-19 pandemic taught us many lessons. It highlighted the importance of a robust public health infrastructure. It underscored the need for clear communication and public trust. It also revealed the interconnectedness of our world. We face ongoing challenges. New viruses are emerging. Existing viruses are evolving. We must invest in research. We need to develop new vaccines and treatments. We must strengthen our public health systems. We must be prepared to respond rapidly and effectively to future outbreaks. The importance of global cooperation in the face of pandemics. Viruses do not respect borders. Pandemics are global events. They require global cooperation. International collaboration is essential. We need to share information, resources, and expertise. We need to work together to develop and distribute vaccines and treatments equitably. Global health security is in everyone's best interest. By working together, we can strengthen our collective defenses against future viral threats. The future of virus research and prevention. The field of virology is constantly evolving. Scientists are working tirelessly to understand viruses better. They are developing new and innovative ways to combat them. Nanotechnology is being explored for targeted drug delivery. CRISPR technology holds promise for editing viral genomes. The future of virus research is full of potential. With continued investment and collaboration, we can hope for a future where viral threats are minimized. We can strive for a world where pandemics are a relic